what's up? Yeah. So it's your guy Brianna here again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make slime again. And I'm gonna show you how to make this sunscreen slime, and yeah, you can actually play with it and pick it up and stuff. Yeah. So it's made with the borax method too, but you just add one more ingredient. And this is made with sunscreen, and you can see and stuff. But yeah, in my last other, I just uploaded 2 videos like last night or something. Yeah, it was last night. And the first one I uploaded said it was lotion slime. This is not lotion slime. This is sunscreen slime. Sorry about that. But yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty stretchy and slippery like. But yeah. And it's just like, it's sort of greenish because I didn't have any white glue at the time, but now I do. I have like a full bottle. And yeah. So I just used some glittery one. So let's just get started and tell you guys the ingredients you'll be needing. Okay, so the ingredients you'll be needing is 2 bowls or 2 containers. You're needing you're needing something mixed with, I just have this little scoop for borax and stuff, and a toothpick. Be needing some water. Be needing some sunscreen, obviously. You'll be needing some Elmer's glue. Well, Elmer's glue is optional. Elmer's company, you can use basically anything, but not with it. And last but not least, you're gonna need some borax. Yeah. No kidding. So let's just get started. Fast. Okay, so sorry if you hear my cat purring right here. But the first thing I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna do is get your scooper or whatever and get your borax and stuff. And you're gonna do a teaspoon. And this is a teaspoon. Like if it's anywhere close to a teaspoon, it'd be probably like less than. So you can see much. So yeah, sorry. Okay, so no. So now you're gonna get the spoon again or whatever, and you're gonna get your water. Or you can just pour your water in there, like I'm doing. It's optional. It's totally up to you. But yeah. So now I just have to make sure. So now, and you're gonna mix it up until it's dissolved. And if you get some on the table, it's fine because I've gotten some on my table before. But yeah, so basically it's dissolving literally right now by itself. And I put a pretty good amount and stuff. So now you're just gonna mix this up. So yeah. So on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to get your other container, and you're done with your water. So yeah, the next step, you're done with your water. Next up, get your other container, and you're gonna get your glue and your sunscreen, and you're gonna pour some glue in. This is as much slime as you're gonna get, obviously. And you can use detergent if you want, but I just didn't want to because, again, like I said in my last video I posted last night, I have detergent, but it's not like just liquid, it's just in those pod things. So yeah. So as you can see, I poured that much in there. So now you're just gonna get your sunscreen. I'm just using Copper Tones 4, as you can see. And guys, this lighting here is really bad, sorry. I'll try to change it later, like in my other videos. So now you're just gonna like squeeze basically about, I don't know, that much, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I had to go put my sunscreen away, but I haven't mixed it, as you can see. But yeah, so now you're just gonna mix it. Well, obviously, and obviously nothing's gonna happen. So you're just gonna be like this, or at least it should be, or something. I don't know. It might become. Oh, sorry, it might become like thicker. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. You also be doing something sorted. Just using this bag, obviously. And after you mix it, you're gonna get your borax solution or your slime activator. So as you can see, it's sort of thick. It's like not really, but sort of. So now you're gonna get your like scoop or whatever. You're gonna get your borax solution. It's gonna, and you can add food coloring if you want. I have food coloring, but I mean I didn't want to use it. But yeah. So I added it, and at first like it's not working. Keep on mixing. See, it's starting to form. Have to just keep on adding it. And if it's not working, you have to add some more glue because you added like too much sunscreen. So it's like that. So I think I added too much sunscreen, so I'll be right back. So as you can kind of see, I had to restart since I have a lower amount and because it wasn't really working. But yeah, it will work, trust me, because basically I have the proof literally right here. But yeah. So you're just gonna mix that up, and it should look like this. So now you're gonna add your boxes. And I added too much, trust me, it'll work. I just added too much, sunscreen. But yeah, so yeah, as you can see, it's forming. See, it's forming. Yeah, I'll be right back when I'm done. Whoops. Okay, guys, so I haven't put any borax in it. As you can see, it's not forming, or borax solution, it's not activated, same thing. So I'm gonna like put a couple drops, and you're gonna mix it. And at first, as I said before, it won't work. Like as you can see, it is forming. You just keep on adding it, just like basically like water and glue. It works the same basically. And if it doesn't, then it's, I don't know, but yeah, it worked for me. And sorry, last video. So yeah, I decided to get it from the sides. But yeah. So as you can see, it's forming. So I'm just gonna put, so now I'm just gonna keep on adding some borax solution, or some activator, whatever you wanna call it. So it's fine that it gets on the sides because I have a, well, piece of paper under it. But yeah. So I'm just putting that on there. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna mix it up basically. So y'all, it is well, very messy, but it's fine. It's all worth it. What's the, okay, okay. So yes, it is forming. So luckily for me, I have another tissue paper here, and once like the thing, like see, it's forming just like it would do with just like the regular one. So yes, so I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay, so I finished mixing it. It was a bit sticky, so yeah. And I had to eat, so I had to hurry. So I added some more black solution. But yeah, so now it shouldn't be sticky. I mean, yeah. So yeah, this is awesome sunscreen slime. And it's more stretchier than this one. So yeah, and I'm combining them and they feel so weird. So different. Because this one's more tough.